Alright, language explorers, let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verbs. So, dress up, to dress up, to wear nicer, more special clothes. Yes, so to go from say this to say that, for example. Yeah, so to dress up, to wear nicer clothes. Yeah, so I always dress up before I start recording. Yeah, I dress up from a t-shirt into a shirt and suspenders. How cool is that? He needs to dress up before he can enter the office, for example, the room, the party, the club. How cool is that? He needs to dress up. He can't wear that. No way. He can't wear that. Yeah. They're trying to dress themselves up. Yeah. They want to wear nicer clothes to the party. They need to dress up. Yeah. It is important. Yeah. How cool is that? I dressed up for the event. Yeah. Whenever I have a meeting, I like to dress up nicely. Blazer, waistcoat, suspenders, all sorts of different things, all sorts of different clothes. Yeah, that I can wear and dress up. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, I'm planning to dress up, and this suit is perfect. Let's have a look. Suit. Not quite. Oh, maybe this one. Maybe this one. This suit is perfect. Oh, not quite. Yeah. Well, this suit is perfect. Yeah. So I like, and I need. Whoops. I like to dress up with a nice suit. Yeah. That way, I always stand out. How cool is that? Then we need to dress up very formally tonight. Yes. For once. For once. We will need to dress up because there are rules that we have to follow. Yeah, you might need to dress up with me because our suits need to match. Yeah, our suits need to match. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So dress up. To go from basic clothes to something more elegant, much more higher class, higher value, upper class, anything. To dress up. Yeah, how cool is that? So I dress up when recording. Yeah, you will dress up for the meeting. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So dress up. Can you use it in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more lessons to come, more videos to come. Yeah, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you type my name in, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.